You how to add admin to your business page on Facebook. Now you get so busy with other activities in your life and in your business, other core areas, and you don't have strength and time to manage your page on Facebook, and your Facebook page needs to be managed for growth, and so you can reach more people so they can contact you to employ your services or buy your products. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add admin to your business page on Facebook. Now let's jump right in. And this is the home page for my business page, which we created together. I'm going to click on the settings on the left hand side. When you click on the settings on the left hand side, you will see, you click on it, it takes you to this. So you have the privacy, the new page experience, notifications, linked account, videos, branded content, and etc. What you want to do is click on new pages experience. So when you click on new pages experience, now it takes you here, and then you see page access, page management history, page quality, page recommendation, advanced managing, data sharing, issue electoral, political ad, branded. Now we don't have need for all this, so let's jump to the right hand side of the page of my screen, where you can see people with Facebook assets that you want to add new. So if you go to the top, you see manage and view assets. Now at the bottom of where you have my name, you will see this. You'll see people with tax assets and community managers. So let's see what this the people with Facebook access has to do. Let's click on add new. Then Facebook access means you can switch into the page and manage directly on Facebook, or by using other tools like Meta, Business Suite, or Creator Studio. Wow. So it also means any actions you take as this page, including when you check into a location, may be visible to anyone else who manages this page. So anyone else with Facebook access will share the page experience, including newsfeed and notifications for this page. So we don't want this. So we click on people with tax access, click on add. Now you can't switch into the page on Facebook, but they can manage specific tasks using other tools like Business, Meta Suite, or Creator Studio. Any action you take as this page may be visible or anyone else who manages it. Okay, let's click next. So who should have tax access to this page? So imagine I want to add someone. I think I want to add my brother, Jordan Wayne. I'm going to grant him access. No, that's his old account. I didn't really check if the account is functional, but this is a trial account anyway, so it doesn't matter. So now this is a tax. You're assigning a tax to this person. Now create, manage, or delete posts, stories, more on page. You allow him respond to direct messages or make calls as the page is. This person is acting as you, so you allow or disallow what you want them to do. Review and respond to comments, remove unwanted comments. You allow him to do this. Then ads, he can create ads on your behalf with your consent, and then you can see ads. Now you want to do all this, and then you give him access. For your security, you enter your Facebook profile password. This person should have taxes. Okay, so you do all this when you're doing you're adding someone to your page. I don't need to do this right now because it is just a dummy page I created for this training. So when you do this, you enter your password again and you confirm the access you've granted this person. Please be sure you do this if you're too busy and if you can't manage by yourself. So add somebody who can manage your Facebook for you and help you grow your Facebook business page adequately, and thereby growing your business, and then also by growing your income. You want that to happen. Let's see what community managers actually have to do in this case. Now, I have full control because I'm the owner of the page. I can add a community manager. Again, I could just add somebody else. This is what the community managers are able to do. This is different from the admins. So the community manager can delete comments from live streams, ban people from your current stream, ban people from your live stream, set all admins for your page. Now this is very good for a business who loves to go live. I am beginning to go live now more than often, and if I get to a point where I'm overwhelmed with managing my comments and managing people, I will turn this on and get somebody to do that for me. At that point, I will add a community manager who can always be online when I'm going live and do all this good stuff. So if you're wanting a community manager, you're going to be going live on your business. At that point, you can add a community manager to your business page and let them manage all the comments and the feedback and everything on your behalf. So that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. I've showed you how to add an admin to your page, how you can run adequately without your presence. Just add them, and they start managing your page for you while you do other things that matter so much to you. Okay, I'll see you in the next training video where I show you how to link your Instagram and other accounts to your Facebook business page for adequate management. Bye.